Today we will learn about analogy and classification in this video, and we will see easy examples and fun ways to sort and compare things. Have you ever looked at a seed and wondered how it becomes a plant? Or why toys can be grouped into boxes by color or type? An analogy shows how two things are alike. It helps us use something we know to understand something new and tricky better. For example, seed is to plant as egg is to bird. These pairs show how small things grow into bigger living things. Classification means putting things into groups because they are alike, like sorting toys into stuffed animals, cars, blocks, and puzzles for play. Synonymous analogy pairs words that mean the same, like glad and happy, pretty and gorgeous, very and extreme, as simple pairs to learn. Opposite analogy shows words that are different, like small and large, smile and frown, pretty and ugly. These are opposite words to compare. Part to whole compares a small part with the whole thing, like wheel and bicycle, paw and dog, nose and face, battery and remote. Cause and effect shows one thing makes another happen. So you see a cause and then the result or effect clearly shown. For example, a virus can cause the flu, cause leads to the effect of being ill. This is a clear cause and effect pair. Rain can cause a flood and fire can cause a blaze or destruction. Choose words that show the effect of the cause well now. Action and object shows what an object does or is used for, like a pen is used to write or typing uses a typewriter. Other examples are climb and staircase, travel and aeroplane. These show actions and objects that go together and help us understand better today, please. Characteristic quality shows a thing and a word that tells about it, like pillow and soft, sauce and tangy, ice cream and sweet taste. Using different types of analogies helps you explain ideas and connect new ideas to things you already know at home or in class easily. When you see an analogy, first read the pair carefully. Decide the relationship and put it into words like A is part of B. Next, look for the option that shows the same relationship. Check word forms like tense or singular and plural before you choose. Carefully, please. Now let us see simple classification examples. These help you sort and tidy things in real life and class activities with fun and care. Group by type means put similar toys together. For example, stuffed animals in one box, cars in another, blocks and puzzles each in their own box. Group by color means put all red things together and all blue things together. Colors help us sort quickly and make things bright nicely. Group animals into farm, pets and wild, and group shapes into circles, squares and triangles for easy learning and games in class or home. Group numbers into even and odd. This helps when you learn adding in steps or when you play counting games with friends, often happily. To classify, choose one rule like color. Then look at each object and decide which group it belongs to under that rule. Always check. After placing items, check all groups to make sure nothing is out of place. Move items if needed and tidy the groups properly, please. Example 1. Small is to large as tiny is to what? Tiny is the opposite of big or large. So tiny is to big is correct. Example 2. Seed is to plant as egg is to bird. A seed grows into a plant and an egg grows into a bird. So egg, bird. Example 3. Sort apple, carrot, banana, potato into two groups by fruit or vegetable. Fruits, apple and banana. Vegetables, carrot and potato now please. Example 4. Rain is to flood as fire is to what? Fire can cause a blaze or destruction. Choose the word that shows this effect. So, what do we learn from this? Analogies help us find relationships, and classification helps us sort items. Both make learning easier and faster. Let us quickly remember. Analogy shows how things are related, and there are many types. Classification groups items by rules like color or type. So today we learnt about analogies and classification. Keep practicing gently, have fun learning, and explore more on EduRev when you are ready always.